Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for water sign Cancer, and this reading is from May 24th to May 31st. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your recent past. Cancer, your recent past. So let's see. 3 of Wands, 6 of Wands, Ace of Swords. Wow, definitely you or your person could be fire sign Aries, Leo, Sag, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Could be. Definitely there is waiting in past. Definitely there is a long distance relationship between both of you. One person living in another city, one person living maybe another country. So there is distance between both of you, and definitely your person want you, and your person want to commit to you. Definitely there is truth coming out. Already there is a brand new beginning in past. Definitely it happened, or it is not, it will be happen in near future. Definitely. So what is going on your connection right now, Cancer? Queen of Cups, the Tower, okay, the Sun. Wow, definitely after the Tower moment, which is will happen or happening right now, after that the energy between both of you become very loving and very neutral, very honest, because when this happened you will both realize the connection, what it is for. Definitely then the Sun, definitely it is a positive outcome. You both realize your worth and you both want this connection, and for some there is third party situation which is children's involved. Definitely that's why this Tower moment is happened. You hide something from your person, like children's issues. You already married. For some it is knowing each other after the Tower moment, and knows one's other's worth, then coming together. So your person near future actions towards you, Cancer. Let's see. Strength, definitely your person gaining strength to come towards you. 2 of Swords, 10 of Wands. Definitely your person near future feeling very burdened due to their work or whatever, and 2 of Swords here. Definitely your person may be at some crossroads, and he also gaining strength to come towards you or overcome this Tower moment what is happened between both of you. Definitely you both want this connection. Definitely your person want this connection. The Sun card is here. So let's pull some cards from universe. Temperance, your person could be Sagittarius or you could be Magician. Wow, Four of Wands. This card is fell down. 3 of Swords. Definitely there is pain after the Tower moment. One person feeling very heartbroken. Definitely after that your person gaining strength and come towards you and offer this beautiful 4 of Wands commitment to you. Definitely, but for this commitment there is patience and balance is needed. Definitely, because the Magician, your person manifesting you in this connection in their life again. Definitely it is very beautiful reading. Definitely after the Tower moment your person will gain strength and come towards you and offer this beautiful commitment to you, Cancer. So this is the reading for you. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.